video. I'm currently in Kunming, the capital of Yunnan province in southern China, and I've been living here for a few months. But today I had to do a little bit of traveling, so I figured I'd make a short video on how to use the subway or the metro in Kunming. It's pretty straightforward, but if anybody's curious, if anybody's coming here to visit and they wanted to see how it works beforehand, or you're just curious what the metros are like here in Kunming, or China in general, because they're all pretty much the same, I figured I'd make this short video. I'm currently at the Urji Road station, kind of south of the main downtown area, and it's actually pretty cheap. You can get all the way across town, I don't know, 20 kilometers or so for, maybe 10 kwai, 10 Chinese RMB, which is a little more than $1 US. But for my trip today, I'm assuming it'll probably be closer to about 50 cents. We'll see once we get in here. So first step is to buy your ticket. Just have to go over to the automatic ticket machines, and hopefully they work. Let's see here. So there's an English-Chinese button here. Wait, what? There we go, English. Oh, nope, it was on English already. There we go. There's a bit of a lag. There we go, okay. So, I'm wanting to go to Kunming rail station on the red line, so I'm just gonna hit the red line here. Wait for the lag. Damn thing. There we go. And Kunming railway station, 3 kwai. And you hit the number of people that you want. It's just 1 for me, so it's 3 RMB. Whoop. Found my money here in my pocket. Okay, so enter your money here, 5 kwai, and it'll give me some change as well as my ticket. There's my ticket. And my change. There we go. Next step, go through security. See if I can actually do this with my camera. Not sure if they'll let me do it, but we'll try it. Alright, next step is to take our card that we got earlier, and you just scan it here. There we go. Didn't have any problem filming through security, that's kind of cool. And next step, you just head up to the platform. A lot of the subway here in Kunming is actually below ground, but there are sections of it that are above ground, like this section, kind of south of the downtown area, and over near the airport. Not much of a queue this morning, which is nice. One thing about China is you do a lot of queuing, a lot of standing in line. And here we are at the platform. One thing that's good about the subway here in Kunming is a lot of the signs are in English, and some of the announcements on the train are in English as well. So let's see, where am I at? Where the hell am I? Oh yeah, okay, I'm here. I'm here at Urji Road, and I'm heading up to Kunming rail station. Just a few stops, so not too bad. So we just sit here and wait. And there's normally signs right around here that say how long you have to wait. Not that you can read it with the sunlight on it. Yeah, that's much better. 3 minutes. They're not actually allowed to eat or drink on the subway, but they do sell drinks here. Water, Red Bull, Nescafe. And here comes my train. And when you're getting on the train, don't really wait in line. Nobody in China really waits in line. So you just kind of shove your way on. It's kind of tough to get used to, but just something you have to do in China. You have to be aggressive, and or else you're never going to get anywhere.
Dear passengers, in order to create a better environment, please do not eat, drink, spit, or litter in the train. Please talk in a loud voice. Thank you for your cooperation. Dear passengers, we are now at Kunming railway station. Please take all your belongings and get off the train from the doors on the left. 乘客们，请记得入场时。
Alright, now when we exit the station, it's pretty simple. You just grab your card again, and we just insert it into the slot. They do have monthly cards that you can pay for, but this is just a one-trip ticket, so there we go. And now we just exit the station. And that's pretty much it for the subway in Kunming. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy to use. Most of the things are in English. A lot of people at the station, as far as attendants, don't really speak English, but at least the signs are in English.